Hello, so this is the easiest way to prepare a garnier. In this case, this is the couscous, which I didn't boil. I just added like about 200 milliliters of water, and within 3 minutes or 5 minutes covered, it is prepared. Plus, I added some sun-dried tomatoes with oregano and some oil, and I will mix it and cover it again, so it will definitely be tasty. And it will basically absorb the taste of the sun-dried tomatoes. I added a bit of butter as well for this like milky taste, together with the sun-dried tomatoes, together with I'll also do the salmon, and it's gonna be the perfect match together. So guys, it's quick, it's really easy, it's literally 3 minutes dish, so highly recommend it on those days when you don't feel like cooking. This is something elegant, really tasty, full of amazing tastes, and something unusual because sun-dried tomatoes, I bet that we do not usually use like every single day. So it's a great addition to fish, and particularly in my case, to salmon or to any fish. It looks great, and it adds this Mediterranean taste to the dish, to your lunch or dinner. So guys, this is quick, this is super easy. I remind you, couscous, boiled water without boiling, add boiled water, cover it for 3-5 minutes, then add some butter, mix, and then add sun-dried tomatoes with the spices. Mix and cover again, and it's ready. Literally 5 minutes in total. Enjoy guys, subscribe, like, comment. Thanks for watching.